All right, so for this experiment, we're going to be using steel wool. And this steel wool has been soaking in vinegar so that it could remove the outer layers of oil that are on the steel wool. We're then going to expose that steel wool to the air and measure the temperature change. So for our first piece, we're going to use, I wanted to cut this in half. It's a little bit too big. Okay. We're going to measure the mass. And for our low cup, our mass is going to be 2.2 grams. For our medium cup, our mass is going to be 5.3 grams. So 2.2 for the low and 5.3. 2 for the low, 5.3 for our medium, and then for our large piece, our high amount, our mass is 9.1 grams. Okay. I'm going to come on over here. Try to take these gloves off. Okay. And let's do low, medium, high this way. We're going to measure the initial temperatures of each. Cover it with our cup, some aluminum foil. We want to make sure that steel wool is on the end of our thermometer. Okay, so our initial temperature for low is going to be 22.2. Let's make sure we get it's on the end of our thermometer. This experiment's a little trickier. Okay, our initial temperature here is going to be 23. Degrees. And our initial temperature here is also going to be 23 degrees. All right. Low, medium, high. Okay, start the timer. Right. So, 23. So, starting temperatures, again, were 22.2. 23 for the medium, and 23 for the high. Right, after 30 seconds, the temperatures actually rose really quickly. After 30 seconds, it's up to 27.3 degrees. The medium is up to 26.8 degrees. And the high is up to 31.1 degrees after 30 seconds. Okay, I'm going to close this up. Okay, after a minute, the low is at 27.8 degrees. The medium is at 28.9 degrees. And the high is at 32.9 degrees. at a minute 30. Low is at 28 degrees. Medium is at 29.6 degrees. And high is at 33.8 degrees. All right. We're at 2 minutes. The low cup is at 28.1 degrees. Medium is at 29.9 degrees. And high is at 34.0. Okay, at 2 minutes and 30 seconds, our low amounts is at 28.2 degrees. Our medium amount is at 30.1 degrees. And our high amount is at 33.9 degrees. All right, at the 3-minute mark, our low is at 28.3 degrees. Our medium is at 30.2 degrees. And our high amount is at 33.6 degrees. Okay, we're about at the 3 minute and 30 seconds. For our low, it's at 28.3 degrees. For our medium, we're at 30.3 degrees. And for our high, we're at 33.4 degrees. All right, 4 minutes. Low is 28.3 degrees. Medium is 30.2 degrees. And high is 33.2 degrees. All right, 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Our low cup is at 28.3 still. Our medium cup is at 30.2. And our high cup is at 33.1 degrees. Last time, it's at 5 minutes. Our low cup is at 28.3 degrees. Our medium cup is at 30.2 degrees. And our high cup is at 32.9 degrees. The end.